Hello everyone, my name is Timothy Davera and in this video is all about polymorphism. Polymorphism, it is allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common parent class. So natay polymorphism activity which is called the ticketing. And then natay scenario nga IT Day 2026 this year has a different ticket categories which is three. This is a student pass, VIP, and sponsor pass. Each ticket coupons price differently, but the system should call the same method name like the get price. So natay function na tawag-tawagan na lang nato. Regardless of ticket type, polymorphism allows the same method name to behave differently depending on the object or the context. Different child classes providing their own implementation of a method from a parent class. And then this one is use one function to process many objects. I use one function to process many object types. Natay task requirement diri, which is ang una is create, and then there is creating a parent class which is ticket. Pangalan nato ticket na natin natay attribute nga holder name. So karon, and then there is method get price. So tong parang itong giingon tong gayna diri nga um but the system should call the same method like to get price. So manghimo tag function. So ang una to buhaton nato is mag-create og class which is the parent class. So, it's a super class. So class which is name ticket, diba? Ticket. And then we should define a function which is the def init self holder name. Done. So ang nakita nimo karon is natay class which is the parent class and then natay function diri nga init pero okay ang natay attribute nga holder name. Ang kining self is reference na siya nga parameter. It is allows you to access objects and methods in a specific object. Ana, since natay duha ka parameter which is the self and then holder name. So ang nakabutang diri there's just one attribute holder name method get price. So magbutang ta get price nga function. Self dot holder name is equals to holder name and then get price. Not yet. Else else so butangan nato siya og instance butangan nato siya og parameter which is self return 100 kay ingon diri is ang method get price niya ang default base price niya is 100. Mag-create ta og child class which is the child student ticket and then and then inherit na to ang ticket diri in which is gikan siya sa parent class para magamit nato ni siya kini sila para sa mga child classes. And then let's create another method, which is the get price. And then ang price na to is 50. So define price self return 50. Okay, nga 50 ato ang prices para sa student ticket. And then create ta puta og another child class, which is the VIP class. Uh, ticket VIP ticket. So ano, ticket ko na to siya define get turn. Kasi nakabutang dara, ang price na to is 200 plus freebie fee. So fixed price siya. So 200 plus wait, plus 30 na siya. And then let's just create another class, which is a sponsor ticket. Class sponsor. And then the price is 0 but must be print sponsored. Ang 0 man siya. Gisponsoran man siya nga ticket. So sponsor print sponsor, 'di ba? Sponsor. Sponsored pala. Return 0. Okay, 0 ang price niya. Natay another step that which is required a function, polymorphism demonstration. Write a function. Print receipt with a ticket object, which is the parameter that prints the holder name, the ticket type, and the price using ticket object price. Okay, magbuhat po tayo a function just pang to print receipt. Just pick it ang ato ang parameter. Print format string holder ticket dot holder name. Nganong gibutang ato ang holder name diri? Kay ngano, kung magbutang ta og pangalan, diri na siya gikan. And then pasahan na to og name diri So kay bali nga kung mag-print na siya, mugawas ang pangalan diri sa name sa student. Kay ang una ato i-print ato, which is the student as a student ticket. Ang kitsay kita no ang holder name pangan niya is CJ Tumuling, and then yung price niya as Yang unsa nga type nga ticket niya, ang pangalan is student ticket and then price is 50. Ana mahitabo karon. Tawag-tawag ra siya. Tawag-tawag ra na. So, ara. Pero unsahon na to pag butang og mga names at paraanin nila? Kanang pag print na niya ba nga kanang dapat makita ang mga names nga ang makadawat og student ticket, VIP ticket, sponsor ticket karon magbuhat ta og list of names. Let's say let's say ticket is equals to uh, um you should call it the student ticket first. Kini nga part is nag-create og object student ticket. Pangalan na to is let's say CJ Tumuling. This is just a random name. And then the VIP should call the VIP ticket. Is it correct? Yeah, I think it's correct. Oh wait, I forgot the comma. Forgot the comma. Always put the comma. Call it Mario Kadai. And then the sponsor ticket. And then ang gihimo na ko karon is na-create ko list of names. Atong variable is ticket na to kitawagan na to na unya. Natay list of names which is tulo ka buok na names like Tumuling, Mario, and Tavera. And then nag-create ko bagong object. Kibali nga when it comes to kung i-print na ko siya, mugawas ang mga name ani diri Ang unang igawas ana which is the student ticket which is ang pangalan nga person diri mo butang ticket type niya and then unsay ang price sa ticket niya. Ina na mahitabo karon. So we need to print this one. Forgot to print this one. Multiply by 30. Ano man, para na lang siya spacing gibali. Anay line. And then create a list of mixed ticket object and loop. Call the print receipt for each. So mag-create tag loop. Say print sa nato niya. Let's say tickets for IT days. For tickets in ticket. Anong ticket man? Giloop na ko ni siya. Giloop na ko ni diri. So mo ni ato ang temporary variable. Then print receipt. Then pasahan na to og ticket. Wait, no, not ticket but tickets. So kay bale iloop na to ni anong gitawag na ko ni diri og diri. Kay nga kan man siya ng temporary variable man siya burag hawiran lang na sa nato. Kini atong gamiton para loop, ma-loop nato ni ini. Kung ira nato na, so maura. See, tickets for the holder name, CJ Tumuling, ticket type niya is student ticket, price is 50, Mario Kaday, to 30, ang the VIP ticket, ang ticket type niya. So, same thing gyapon diri See, holder name, sponsor lang siya with zero price. So, mao ni ato ang mao ni siya ang polymorphism. Why polymorphism reduces code duplication? Because polymorphism reduces code duplication by allowing you to write a single function or method that can work with multiple object types rather than creating separate functions for each type. Instead of writing the method called process credit card or uh, process Gcash or maybe process cash method with nearly identical logic, you can write this one process payment method that simply calls each object's pay method. So this means when you add a new payment, the new payment types of in the future, you don't need to modify anything. You don't need to modify existing functions. The new class automatically works with your existing code as long as it implements the expected method. By focusing on what objects that uh, by focusing on what objects do rather than what they are, that polymorphism eliminates repetitive conditional statements and keeps your code base clean and maintainable and scalable. So that is it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video about polymorphism, and I see you next time.